All right. So one interesting phenomenon I see with many of the clients where we try to implement AI solutions is the rigorous and decade-long focus on results, on goals, on targets. And with AI, this very often is not the right approach to start with. This is Connect the Dots, the AI Impact Podcast. I'm Christoph Burkhardt. Welcome to the show. Of course, the focus on goals is a great idea because you know where you want to end up. So you use AI tools to get closer to what you want to achieve. But in the process of getting AI to work, we need to focus on a lot of things that have nothing to do with the targets, the goals that you want to achieve in the end. And it's a very human thing to focus on results and not so much about the process. So let's take an example. You want to use AI in automation in a marketing plan. So you've developed your great vision for this marketing plan. You know where you want to go. You know what you want to achieve. You have some ideas about the key metrics that you probably want to look at while you do this. But now AI comes in and you focus on the output. So let's say you use generative AI to create some copy for a landing page. So now you know what you want in that landing page. So you give the prompt and the AI develops something of a script for your landing page. It provides copy. But your focus was to get to that copy, and the copy as a result that then becomes a milestone in your marketing plan. So it's like one tiny step that you use AI in. And the focus of everything that we see right now, the applied cases of generative AI, are very much focused on these tiny milestones that are still results. Rather than doing that, we should focus, and this is incredible potential that's still on the table, is to focus on processes. So rather than thinking about the copy that generative AI model can create, think about what are the processes in the entire steps that you have to go through to create a marketing plan that works. You know, like all the steps that help create better copy, and then the steps that follow after this copy is here, like what signups do you have, what call to actions are you using, where are the touch points to the customers, where are your clients already, which are new clients that you want to target with the same copy. So everything is about these milestones and these results, but there is a whole process around them. And AI is incredibly smart at connecting dots, at connecting things that are not connected yet because they're too complex for us. So over years, over decades, we have trained ourselves to break down projects into steps that we can manage. Now AI comes in and it can help improve that process by understanding that the first step is linked to the 27th step in a certain way. Because everything we do in a marketing plan, in the end, is like one magic piece of art. And only if all the factors come together will you actually achieve what you want to achieve. So rather than using AI as point solutions right now, think about it as a process solution where different steps in the process are linked to each other. And the AI is the only system in the world that's smart enough right now to figure out how everything comes together, which used to be really more like a piece of art for a marketing genius. Now, AI can help tremendously connecting the dots within a plan. So what that requires of us is the next step in thinking about how we use this technology, because it means generating results, generating point solutions is something that AI does right now, and it does it pretty well. In most aspects, it's pretty easy for all of us to do that. So that's why we see it everywhere. It's easy to produce that kind of point solution. But the real magic comes in when you let AI look at the whole process and let it change and improve certain steps along the way and let it connect the dots.